In this video, I'll show you how to put signature in Word using picture. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing my YouTube channel and liking the video. So before we put our signature on the document, we need to click the photo first. So just use your phone camera, click the picture of your signature and transfer that photo into your PC. So I have already done that. So I'll just drag my signature on Word document just like this. Now select the signature, click on picture format, click on crop, again click on crop, and just crop the image according to you. Once you crop your image, we need to select the image again and drag it on our first page just like this. And once you do that, here we need to select the image again, and here in this option we need to set it on behind text. So once you do that, again in the picture format, click on color and set it on black and white just like this. Now you can just resize your signature and put it anywhere you want just like this. So yeah guys, that's how you can put signature in Word using picture. If you think I was a big help, can you please subscribe me? If you do, I would really appreciate it. But for now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.